Hi, this is Jackie from We Grant Fitness and Health, and I transform busy female professionals' bodies and habits without giving up chocolate and wine. I generally work with people over 40 who are in perimenopause, menopause. So, what I'm telling you today is all about the fact that I'm going to be part of Positive 4 Tools Wellbeing Day tomorrow. So, I'm saying to you, come down. It's going to be an amazing day. And not only that, we're going to have the chance to have boxing, but also the other things that are going on. But come and meet me, have some boxing for 30 minutes. We're going to do it at 10 o'clock, so luckily, hopefully, it's not going to be too hot. I'm hoping. We're going to have a chance to box with me, box, with these lovely gloves and pads, because it's non-contact boxercise class that I'm going to do for 30 minutes. It's going to be great. Do it in the morning, boom, all over. You've done your class. If you haven't done your exercise for that day, boom, you'll get it done. But not only that, you get to experience the rest of the things that are going on for Positive 4 Tools, and not only that, it's going to help someone else at some point in their life because of the fact that you're making a difference. So make a difference. Come down. You're in Walthamstow. You live there. Come down. Yeah? Even if you don't come to my store, I'm not really bothered because actually it's the experience that you're going to have coming down and enjoying the day. Okay? So, if you really love boxing, then, tell you what, I'm doing a box to beat cancer. Yeah? It's about ovarian cancer, which generally we do not have so much information about, but I've got so much information to let you know about ovarian cancer because, actually, quite a lot of people die every 2 hours. So, what we need to do is we need to embrace that and have the ability, even if you give a few pounds for it, or the best thing to do is come to my Box to Beat Cancer event. And actually, it's going to be in the Walthamstow Trades Hall, who actually need, I keep saying actually, they need us. They need us. I mean, I went the other day to actually have a boot camp Christmas do, even though it wasn't at Christmas. We decided to do it in summer. But that's all good because, no one could meet there. So we decided to have it at, I always keep forgetting, feel like dancing or whatever. But she does it every quarter or something. But it was amazing. I loved it. I loved the bingo because I used to work in a bingo hall when I was about 18. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. Let's focus on the thing. Come to the event, 1. 2, come to my store at least. At least say hello. At least say hello, even if you're not going to do the boxing. And 3, take part in as much as you can do. Enjoy the day and I look forward to seeing you there. Jackie Grant, We Grant Fitness and Health. I transform busy female professionals' bodies and habits without giving up chocolate and wine.